everybody, Mark and Steve here again from Watkin Motors in smoky downtown Vernon, BC, where we're taking care of customers for life. I know we keep saying we're blowing things out and all that stuff. Well, this time we're really blowing them out. This is a 2017 Jeep Cherokee Limited that we're clearing out today for $30,888 with $5,000 down, only $212 bi-weekly. Now that's not all. Check this one out. A 2017 Lincoln MKX. It's another beauty. Same thing. We're blowing this one out at $44,884 with $5,000 down. It's only $322 bi-weekly. And to finish it all off, if you buy either of these vehicles before the end of August, we're going to throw in 2 rounds of golf to Vernon Golf Country Club, and it also comes with a cart. So hurry on down and be the first one to get a great selection on one of these. Now make sure that you check us out on Instagram, like us on Facebook, and look at all of our new and used inventory at watkinmotors.com. Most importantly, don't forget it's employee pricing on the new, and you have a fantastic day.